This is a male dominant, very big, and now I want to try to push the orangutan to the national park.
Biar aja.
Ini baru besar loh. Kalah mandor besarnya pun.
Itu otak kalah dia.
Hah?
Otak kalah dia.
Kalah dia.
Kita aja. Masih tuh kalau udah ke tanah enak dia.
Enak apa ya? Enak itu. Pak Omar situ Pak Omar, biar dia nggak ke itu kan ke ini ke sawit itu sebelah lagi. Nah, turun dia kan Pak Omar, turun, Gibal kejar, ayo, kejar.
Itu kan dia itu. Itu masih ada itu.
Mana?
Itu kan nampak
Itu kan nampak tuh punggungnya, kambing kemek.
Oh, ini emang anak, berarti anak itu.
Itu kan dia tuh nah.
Elephant.
Elephant.
You can see elephant and orangutan.
Ya itu sana itu, naik kau pakai
Oh
truk.
tuh iya.
Orang tak kau tengok nih jelas pakai ini kok. Enggak dapat aku tidak Mario kali. Bonsor loh. Itu punggungnya tuh. Lah, itu apa tuh?
Yo.
Perkali. Siapa nih suruh?
Yes, and I want to push the orangutan go to the national park. This is national park, but I'm scary the orangutan go to the farmland. I want the orangutan go to the national park. Yeah, I want to try to push to the left. Now.
Hei.
dan cemen. Takut dia. Replanting site, our replanting site, which is part of the Gunung Leuser National Park. And I'm standing now in an area where we plan to, plant a forest in this background, as you can see. And it's all dominated by Imperata, around more than 200 hectares here actually need to be planted, And as you can see in the back, it's actually primary forest, good standing forest. And this area was illegally cleared by palm oil companies, back in 1990s, and we tried to claim back, and we managed to get it back, and we tried to plant trees here, of course with native trees, and a lot of work. We have to get rid of the, Imperata, the weeds, all that Melasthoma species that need to be removed, and it's hard work, And it's been great to be here actually in terms of looking at the primary forest that it's a big potential for us to get easy seeds that we can collect seeds from the primary forest. So a lot of fruits actually that we can collect and seeds we can cultivate for nursery and seedlings. So yeah, our staff has been working here since last year to start having intensive monitoring and start planting beginning of this year. So we plant and makaranga too. We started to plant a lot with pioneer species, fast-growing species like this Macaranga gigantea. This tree grew very quickly, and we need to have a lot of trees first in a very short time, in order to shade out the weeds. And the Imperata here is very hard to remove. So if we can grow as many as pioneer species that grow quickly, then we can easily actually remove all the Imperata grass or other weeds, So this is very important, and I like pioneer species. They sacrifice, their trees in order to improve the soil, and then after the climax tree grow well, and then the pioneer will die. But then it gives chance to all climax tree species to grow after they actually dying. So it's good to have this tree, and we focus on, as you can see in this planting plot. We have many kind of trees that grow very quickly, and so far in this area we managed to plant only 40 hectares yet, so still another more than 100 hectares that need to be planted with.
Hello, my name Ari. I'm from Medan. I am is coordinator here. And this is my team, all the local people here, and we have program about the restore the forest. And this is in National Park, Gunung Leuser National Park in North Sumatra, and the last forest for wildlife home, something like that. And here, secondary forest. First, before illegal palm oil. And we start our program in 2008, and then in 2009 we start to cut down the palm oil, and then we enrichment in this area, planting some tree, slow growing species here, and 3 years you can see now secondary forest here, and many wildlife here. And before, first time, just walk alone it's okay, but now walk alone I'm scared if walk alone here. And here you can see secondary forest now is grow and mix with our planted. We clear this for like line for planting trees, and we use manual cutting, something like that, and we use brush cutter machine for clear the area, and then we planting tree, and maybe after one year, maybe very closing, and maybe for Imprata maybe some die because any shade, because the Imprata not resistant in the shade. Okay, this standing bird we build, and every morning and every afternoon many birds come here, and then we see many seed here. For example, Phyllanthus species, and maybe Phyllanthus is favorite for bulbul bird, and we get many seed here, and you can collect, but maybe this is free from bird, and maybe natural region can be back and free, because bird give free for you, and maybe forest is come back very quickly if many birds spread seed in here. And here maybe more 12 trees but give free for us. We have many activities here. We have built a nursery, planting trees, maintenance, weeding, and then monitoring bird, monitoring mammals and everything. And we live in the forest, and here it's very dangerous, because you live together with the elephant, tiger, rhinos, and many wildlife here. And special here, this is we choose here because every year is always burn, and this is not good for the forest. And we try to build a corridor here, and I hope next time it's better to connect it the secondary to primary forest. And here we have nursery here, and more 10,000 sapling we have, and all we prepare for all the activities. And all here, my assistant, my staff, and all the local people, and maybe we have here live together with the live and harmonic with the nature, I think, because we live together with the wildlife. And maybe you can help us, you can donating something like that, some money, and help us for save the rainforest for wildlife, for example orangutan, because this is last Sumatran orangutan live here, and I hope better this forest better, and can be orangutan survive, and maybe your grandchild still can see the orangutan into the wild, something like that.